So hello and welcome back to Gorilla Garage, and today we're going to be carrying on with the E55 AMG, and we are going to be fixing the dynamic seats. So I've noticed that the dynamic seats are not working. So what I mean by the dynamic seats are obviously all the old controls on the seats, which I shall now show you. So with the E55, I'd imagine it's the same with the 63. I'm not sure what other model variants, but you do have like this little switch here. And this is supposed to be able to change all the lumbar support and all the like everything else like that. But for whatever reason, it's not working. So there's two reasons for it. One, we've either got an air leak, or I did change the rear SAM unit, so it might be something that I've disrupted over there. So what we're going to have to do is I'm going to strip down that corner of the boot, because I'm going to go with I've disrupted something. So we are going to start off by stripping all of this and getting to the air pump and seeing if I've actually disrupted anything. Right, so first point of call is to remove this. Now we've done that, got to remove this panel, so we shall take that off. So you need a T20. We're going to have to take that one off, and then that one at the back. So the clips, you've got a clip there and there, which are already missing. Wonder if I've got to take that off. So I'm hoping I don't have to take that off. Nope. Right, that's that off. So this is obviously where your SAM unit is. And it turns out I didn't need to take that off because it looks like the pump's under there. But was this the pump? I think this might be the pump actually. Oh, there we go. Right, so we are now actually in the car, and it turns out it's a lot messier than I thought it was. Which is actually, oh, that's off of. That don't look good. So, I don't think that's supposed to be that loose. I could be wrong. So we're going to have a look into the, just making sure my mic's still working. Now, apparently you take these two T20s out. So the first thing I am noticing is they look like they've been out. They seriously look like they've... I love great vape. Okay, never mind. So I am now going to attempt... Oh, look at that. Oh, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Right, so the first thing that I notice is that's been cable tied. So I think someone's been in here before. Personally, I could be wrong, but that's... So this is air. I think the seat might have to come out. Yeah, there's nothing obvious here. Yeah, they've been out a few times. Right, so now the seat should just tip up. Need something to prop it up with. Look at that. Like it was meant to be. So if you need to prop your seat up, use a child seat. I'm not finding anything obvious, which is really annoying. So I think it might actually be the switch itself. It can't be the switch because that's just switching air. Right, okay, so I don't think there's actually anything wrong with this seat. So basically what I need to do now is I need to find, oh hello, oh hello, what is that? Now Mercedes will not use those shitty little clips to do anything. So what's that? And why isn't that plugged in? I am going to have to do some research on this, I think. Right. Research time. Right, so turns out I think I've been a bit of a muppet. So the fuse, you know where I'm going now, the fuse for the pneumatic adjustable seat is F13 and F19. So we'll use the old one because it's just easier to show. I haven't tried this yet. So there's 13 and there's 19. Now I had a floating fuse and I wondered what the hell it was for. So I have a floating what looks like power here and it's just floating about. So what I'm going to do, by the looks of it, that just goes into there. So I'm going to plug that into there. Like so. Oh, that's a bit loose. If this works, I swear to God, I am not going to... I mean, I'll be happy, but I won't be happy. So, I don't know if you need the seat on or off. I'll put the ignition on anyway, just in case. Oh, for f***'s sake. Right. So, seats are fixed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it all back together. I'm not going to bother trying to find out what that wiring was. Well, that just proves. Always start with the simplest of things. Pretty much taken all the system out and it turns out it was a bloody fuse. But hey ho, I really shouldn't put this on YouTube. My reputation at stake. But never mind. Hey ho, you live and learn. But at least now I know how to take the seat off, and you lot know how to take the seat off, how to strip it, where everything is. Oh, and it turns out that that pump at the back, it was the pump for the seats. So I googled that part number and it come up with central lock-in pump. I feel like such a prat. But at least now we know where the location of the pump is, how to strip it, and how to diagnose certain things, even if it does make me look like a prat. Right, so let's check if it's worked. Yeah, that's definitely working. Squeezing my buttocks and my back. Yeah, that's the front. Can physically see it moving. Oh, there we go. Can see it inflating now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to inflate absolutely everything just to make sure that the diaphragms inside the seat are actually working. But it looks like everything is now, oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's definitely working. So yeah, I think I've just done that in time. It's absolutely pissing it down now. But yeah. So there you go. Turned out to be a sodding fuse. But never mind. At least it's fixed. So that is it for this video, which is basically showing you exactly where everything is without actually fixing it, because it was just the fuse, but at least it's working. So, wow. I really hate this country. Definitely can't take this out in that, but hey ho. Yeah, that's it for now. Feel free to mug me off in the comment section. Don't forget to press the buttons. Thank you very much for watching.